Greetings from Singapore. I'm not at Chomp Chomp Food Centre. It just reopened a few days ago, so let's check it out, man. This is a very interesting vibe to eat. Serangoon Gardens. And the Chomp Chomp fried kway teow mee, ask for less oil and more vegetables. Right here, the satay and the fried banana. Hojian right here, fried oyster. There's something different here. 顶好甘蔗汁 pure sugar cane. BBQ chicken wing.
松姐玩什么？
等一下，你帮我拿一下。这个好的。
有钱啊！
Lots of drinks here, man. Sugar cane, lime juice and more. Kampong East Coast rojak. Hey, there's a charcoal rojak, man. I hope fried Hokkien noodles. And there's a 511 BBQ chicken wing at the corner.
Hello， 姐你好。
Chomp Chomp rojak and popiah. Sugar cane juice and other kind of juice right here. That looks clean, man. And right here, the sweet heng wanton mee. I think the price is $5 and $6.
第三个。
Interesting shop here, called the Warning. It's actually some satay and some oda, man. Then we have some seafood right here, and traditional Hainan satay. Satay bihun. Another stingray, right? It's right here. Lots of food, man. Fried Hokkien prawn noodles at $5 and $8. Wei Yuan BBQ. Lots of almonds here, man. I think sitting outside is better, you know, it's more cool. What's this, man? The chili noodles.